Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to view hidden chats on Reddit. So if you also want to view hidden chats on Reddit, this video is as for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Reddit. You can also open the application or you can also open the Reddit in the browser. If you want to open Reddit in browser, for that simply launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in reddit.com. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Reddit. Now you can see over here, I've opened the chat of this person. Let me quickly hide this chat. If you also want to hide the chat, simply click on the gear icon that you can see right over here. Now after that, you'll be able to find the option for hide chat. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, this conversation will be hidden until someone sends another message. So simply click on the option yes hide. Now after that, you can see over here the chat has been hidden. So if you want to view the hidden chat, for that what you have to do is click on this option start new chat that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, what you have to do is type in the username of the person whose chat you want to view. Simply type in the username over here. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option start chat. You can simply send the message or you can also request the other person to send you the message. After that, you can see over here the hidden chat will be visible again. Like this, you'll be able to view the hidden chat. So that is how you view hidden chat on Reddit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.